Hello, brother. So can you introduce me yourself?
Hi, my name is Yassine Cheref. I was born in Algeria. I live in New York, New York City, New York. I did IAM with AskMeIdentity, and it went incredibly well.
So how did you get to know about us?
I got to know about you through one of my relatives. He introduced me to you guys, and I had to be honest, I had a couple of options in my hand before I started with you. I chose you because there's a lot of people working in Ask My Identity, and I knew if I did not understand, I will definitely get help from one of you guys. The other options that I had only had one teacher, either female or male, but you guys have a lot of experience, a lot of people with experience, so that made me feel comfortable to start with you.
Thank you. So how's the training curriculum, and how is the mentorship that you have received from us?
So the curriculum is divided into 26 classes. Each class is about 1.5 hours. I had them with Mr. Sumit. He's on a highly different level. He is somebody who I would trust to teach me anything about IT, about IAM, about anything about information technology. I never I never had any idea about him, honestly. But once I started with him, he made everything look so easy for me. He made everything look so familiar, like I already had knowledge and I have no idea. I had no clue. I come from a very different career, so I really had no clue what I was doing, but he made everything so easy and so clear to me.
Okay. So since you have taken this support from us, so how did you feel about it? The training
I
support and other supports.
I am honestly feeling like I am ready to go for the job. I didn't even trust myself. I didn't have any kind of uh, self-confidence in myself. Uh, but now I'm feeling like I'm good to go.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for your support and everything. And also, how would you rate our services from 1 to 10 on the scale of 1 to 10?
I would give, I mean, I wouldn't give a 10 because 10 is like super perfect. So I would go with a 9 out of 10. For all the help that you guys give, for all the lectures, for Mr. Sumit also, I would give 9 out of 10.
Thank
Definitely.
you. So, how often can you recommend our services to others if one of your friends or one of your relatives are looking for the same course that you have taken?
Oh yeah, I will definitely highly recommend you guys to everybody who's looking to start an IT career or an IAM, Identity and Access Management. I will, whenever hear people talking about IT, I'll definitely mention you guys.
Thank you.
That's for sure.
Thank you very much, brother. So that is enough for this testimonial.
Thank you.